Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen with Chroma Key in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and here import a green screen clip and background clip into the timeline. Then place the green screen clip on the top of the background in the timeline. Then here click the color tab at the bottom of the screen. And you'll see a green screen video in preview and single node. Then right-click in the nodes area and select the Add Alpha Output. A blue dot will appear on the right, and drag a line from the node blue output to the alpha output. Then use the qualifier tool or the eyedropper icon. Use the picker to click on the green background in your footage. Then in the qualifier panel, adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance slider to clean up the selection, and toggle the highlight button to preview the mask. And clean up some edges. Increase the clean black to remove leftover green. Then increase the clean white to restore parts of the subject, and use blur radius in-out ratio to smooth the edges, and return to the edit page. Play the timeline to preview the result, and when ready, go to Deliver tab to export your video. And that's how you remove your green screen with Chroma Key in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.